So 300 and, what did you say?
380,000 miles.
80,000 miles. So where did you possibly go?
Well,
wow. Sorry.
As you can see all the rally plates around the workshop, they were all done with this car.
What?
So we've been down to Greece, Spain, Italy, and parents, the moment they retired, father was in the car with mum going around Europe.
Kitzbühel.
Yeah.
Monte Carlo. Oh, I cannot believe every single one of these plaques is
All
this
on this.
car.
Yeah. So they were in it for an awful long time, and they enjoyed it. So it was great because father handed the company over to me. I got on with it.
Yeah.
And he wasn't breathing down my neck because they were in the car doing something in Europe.
I love that.